Still boxing pre-filled syringes manually? In a clean room, every human touch raises contamination risk. Packing is slow, and dividers go in one by hand. 3 pits of syringe boxing. First, pharma cleanliness is strict. Human contact adds contamination risk. Second, different syringe specs mean different case sizes. Every spec change forces a gripper swap and long debug. Third, palletizing needs dividers to prevent crushing. Hand-placing dividers is slow and prone to skew. This pre-filled syringe palletizing line lets a robot auto-swap modular grippers. 10 seconds per case to box and stack, and place dividers automatically. Loading, palletizing, and dividing run in one flow. 3,000 cases per shift, clean and contamination-free. 3 cores. First, modular grippers on a standard interface. Boxing, palletizing, and divider grippers. Robot auto-identifies the task and swaps on its own. No human in the loop. Second, 10-second cycle. 2 seconds load, 5 seconds place, 3 seconds divider, compact moves, and 0 waste. Third, clean design. Stainless steel robot body. Detachable washable grippers. Meeting GMP cleanliness requirements. Watch the demo. A finished case rides in from the conveyor. Robot switches to the boxing gripper and picks it, stacks it at the designated pallet spot, then auto-swaps to the divider gripper, picks a divider, and places it precisely between layers, then switches back to the boxing gripper for the next case. 10 seconds, 1 motion. By the numbers, manual boxing runs 200 cases per hour per person, 0.5% contamination, 8% crooked dividers. Automated runs 360 cases per hour, 0 contamination, 99.9% divider accuracy. 1 8-hour shift hits 3,000 cases, footprint 1/3 of the manual line. This solution suits pharma finish case palletizing, vaccine vials, test kits, syringes, and other sterile products all fit. The key is modular grippers plus clean design to meet GMP. The core of pre-filled syringe palletizing isn't raw speed. It's whether cleanliness and gripper modularity meet the standard. What cleanliness class does your pharma line require?